Don't. Stop. Please don't lay down.
Okay, then this is me.
You're wrong with him.
Why?
Wait, you don't want me to turn it off?
Yes, I do, but after you shut the door.
Wait, is that your cat? Munchies?
Yeah?
Oh.
Call her in here.
I'm gonna come
Say,
in.
Munchies, get your fat ass in here. Munch! Would you quit staring at me with your big old bug eyes and get in here? Come on, bug eyes. Come on, Munchies. Munchies.
Just shut the door?
Yeah. But call her first before you shut the door in her face.
What? Just went that way.
To come in this door?
No, just went that way.
Oh, in the hallway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dumb.
So. Ow! What the fuck did I lay on? Feels like your old lady's toenail went up my butt.
What was it? Stop.
Ow.
I want to lay down. You keep messing with me. Stop. Wait. What's on your phone? What? It's a camera showing.
Probably just hit his butt, I don't know. Probably popped up the app. Weird. Turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey. 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 Mm. Rasta. What up your ass? No one cares. And I took Giant. So you're taking Giant away?
No, I'm not. Why do you, I'm using the pillow. Because your pillows are flat.
Like your ass.
You know what? Okay.
The little old lady fingers.
Would you love it, though?
Yeah, and you're also squishing my arm with your old lady death bat of wrinkles.
Oh, bro.
Oh, horrible.
What could you hit my goddamn knee?
Who cares? Yo, mama.
You complain about that. Talk about your mom that way.
I was talking about yo mama.
Oh.
Who fuck your ass.
Find a blanket, honey.
Dumbass, no one cares.
No one cares about me. No. Not even cares.
I love you.
I love you too.
Though.
No.
Weirdo.